From cozy shells, the turtles peek, tiny faces bright and meek. A brand new day begins to shine. The little turtle starts his day, stretching legs in a sunny bay. Waves in palm trees dance and sway. With a giggle, he dives right in, splashing water with a grin. Let the ocean fun begin. He meets a fish with a bubbly gleam. They laugh and play in a coral dream. Together they're the perfect team. Down a rock he takes a ride, slips and splashes full of pride. Bubbly cheers right by his side. Dolphins leap across the sky, turtle floats and watches high. Magic moments passing by. Through glowing lights and swaying sea, they find a place where dreams roam free. A secret world for friends to be. Bubbly waves and swims away. The turtle smiles, it's been a day. Goodbye dear friend, we'll meet some way. Under stars so big and bright, the turtle dreams